welcome back again to my channel. And for those of you guys who are watching me for the very first time, hi, my name is Shiko, and in my channel I discuss nothing but safe skin lightening. And so today we are doing an unboxing of a new brand, a new company which I have never heard of before. I have never worked with them before, so I'm doing this unboxing of these products right here, and I'm going to show you guys what they sent me. Now these products were sent to me by this company, and they're called Brighten Mi. I'll put their name on the screen. So this video is in partnership with this company. It's in partnership with Brighten Mi, and I'm going to be telling you more about the company later on in the video. There's a very nice and inspiring story behind how this brand was created, so I'm going to be telling you all that, as well as giving you guys my discount code, because you know I always look out for you guys. Anytime I'm doing any brand partnership, I'm always asking for a discount code with any brand I'm working with. And like I keep on saying, guys, anytime I'm doing an unboxing video with any unboxing video, it's a chance for me to introduce you guys to a new company and also to give you my discount code. So always be on the lookout for any unboxing video I'm doing. So let's just get on with what is here. Now there are a couple of products here, but let me begin with the ones that caught my eyes. The ones that really stood out. When I first opened up the box and I saw them, I was like, huh? So let me just show you guys. Over here I have these two items here. Can we first of all discuss the packaging, guys? Can we talk about the packaging? Can you see this, guys? Amazing. I love. I don't know if it's the colors, the packaging, or both of them, but it just looks so good. So I'm gonna begin with one of them because I'm over excited to try these ones. Now let me try with this. Let me begin with this one. It's matching with my outfit today, this one right here. So this beautiful product over here, I think, guys, we're gonna give them an A+, to Brighten Mi for packaging. Damn, I just can't get over the packaging. It's just so damn cute. Although I know for most of you guys, you really don't care much about the packaging as much as you care about the efficacy of the product, but we'll see that as time goes on. So anyway, this is the Brighten Mi toner for all skin types, and I think this one has Kojic acid in it. I'll put the ingredients on the screen. It has glutathione, it has Arbutin, vitamin E, vitamin C, Kojic acid. I'll put the whole list of the ingredients as per their website on the screen so you can see what you're getting. But I just love the way it looks like. If I could just open it up. I just love the way it looks like. It's just nice packaging, and to make sure everything is well protected. Now I can only imagine the box that came with this, because of course when the company is sending out products, they send in their own box, but because I get my products consolidated by my forwarding agency, so they don't put it in the original box. But I think like now going forward, I'll be telling my forwarding company to put the PR packages in their own packaging, because I know there's some guys who really care about packaging. So just to show you guys everything I get, what you're gonna get basically. So here is the toner. Damn, guys, can we just talk about them? No, it's a glass packaging, and it has this cup here. It's a pump. I was wondering if it's a pump. Yeah, it's a pump bottle right here. So this toner, definitely I can't wait to lay my hands, my skin my skin can't wait to get this toner going. Like I just can't wait. Anyway, moving on, let's go on, because I can just sit here all day discussing the packaging because it just looks so damn good. I think of all the brands I've worked with, this one stands out in terms of packaging. Big. I mean, not use curse words, but them guys, this it just makes me feel like them looks so good. So over here we have, this is the cleansing. Let me just open it up. It's a cleansing gel. Okay, show you guys very well. I hope the camera can focus. We can see it very well. There it is. So this is the cleansing gel. Now of course I haven't checked everything in their website, but I do know they have many cleansers. They have like a whole bunch of products on their website. So this is a dual action cleansing gel for all skin types, and by the way, the ml, the quantity, for those of you guys who might want to know, for both of them, this is a 50 ml. 50 ml. So oh my god, the packaging and the color and the everything, just so sleek, so glossy, so classy, so damn, it looks so bougie, so expensive. It just looks so cute. Anyway, over here we have water, coconut oil. I'm looking for the skin ingredients. It has citric acid, glutathione, hyaluronic acid. I'll put all the ingredients on the screen. This font is a little bit too small, I'm struggling to see it, but I'll put the whole ingredient list on the screen. So this is a cleanser, again coming with a pump. That is so I'm gonna be cleaning my face with this one. And by the way guys, I'm so happy that my skin is now dark because we are able to test out new products. Now that my skin is dark, we can see if they work. We're able to test out and see the how they will work and the results I will get from using them. So there is a cleansing gel which I'll be using for the face. But then guys, as soon as this video is over, I'm going to begin using these products starting today, and I'll give you guys my skin lightening routine for this week, for next week, coming on Monday. So to give you guys a whole rundown of how I plan on using these products. So that is. Then they also sent me their soap. I've seen the soap in their website. I think they're telling me how this one is one of the best sellers in their website. So they gave me 2 bars of soap, and this thing is big. It's a very big bar of soap. So that is the soap. So the Brighten Mi brightening soap, and they say here it targets dark spots, it fights acne, and it will brighten your skin, reverse age, anti-age, fade stretch marks with vitamin C, E, and Arbutin. Those are very bold claims. I'm gonna see if they live up to that. So of course I'll put the ingredients on the screen, but the main skin lightening ingredient here is Arbutin and glutathione. Yeah, and of course the vitamin C. Those are the main skin lightening ingredients. Again, I'm excited to see like how it will work out like. And because we are here, let me just open it up. I want to see how it looks like on the inside. The links of each and every item will be down below. And let me just stop there and give you guys my discount code before I open up the soap, just in case any of you guys want to buy things like right away. I have a discount code with them, and my discount code is Shiko10, and Shiko10 will give you 10% discount, so you're able to save 10% of anything you purchase from Brighten Mi. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna open up this soap and see. I'm not very good in describing smells, but I don't know, it has this nice fresh smell. I'm hoping my light is not blowing it out, and I'm hoping you can see it very well. Now, but Brighten Mi is a USA based company. That is. So this soap is quite big, but I normally don't use my soaps like this. As you guys know, I always cut my soaps up into 3 parts to make sure I'm getting a fresh piece every time I'm showering, because soaps tend to run out so fast if you leave them in the bathroom. So to avoid wastage, I like splitting my soaps into 3. That is just optional. So it has this nice smell which I can't even describe it. This nice scent. So anyway, there's a soap. I don't want to sit here all day. Now let's go to something else which I'm very interested in, and I know you guys are very interested in. They have the Brighten Mi face cream. Now I was checking their site, and they have face creams for different skin tones. They have a face cream for oily skin, for dry skin, and this one which fits all skin types. I think because they didn't know which skin type I am, so they gave me this one. But my skin is oily, and I'm hoping it won't be oily for me. I'm hoping it will work well on my skin. And now again, the ingredients will be on the screen, but the main ingredients I can see here for skin lightening is Arbutin. I can see they're using Arbutin in almost all the products. Arbutin, Kojic acid, citric acid, salicylic acid, which is an exfoliator. I have BHA, and lactic acid, which is now the main AHA here. They also have niacinamide and glutathione. And also glutathione is something I'm seeing them using a lot. And also have vitamin E and C, again something which is also present in this one as well. And I was also checking out the other things they have on their website, and it seems the main skin lightening ingredient the main skin lightening ingredients they're using is Arbutin, Kojic acid, vitamin E, C. Those ones are very, very common in their ingredients, and glutathione. So we have the face cream here, and guys, I'm sorry, but I have to discuss the packaging. The packaging looks so chic, looks so classy, looks so elegant. It just has this, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll even put a picture on it. I'll try to take a picture and show you guys how it looks like. But the packaging looks so nice, so sleek, so classy, so bougie, all that goodness. Anyway, let me just open up here so you can see how it looks like inside. Just a cape over here, show you guys how it looks like. Damn, I just love, I'm in love, completely in love with the packaging. Just so dope. And then of course up here they have this thing which will protect your cream. There it is. Then should I open it up? Anyway, I'm gonna use it up anyway, so just open it up slowly. So don't wanna spill it everywhere. So guys, I'm hoping the camera can show it up. There's a cream, guys. It looks like this. It's a white cream inside. And from what I can see from the texture, just by looking at it, though I had to try it out, this one looks like a little bit of it like goes a long way. Let me just smell it because I've opened it up. Oh, I'm almost eating it. Damn. Okay, this one does not have like a strong scent, but it has a very, very mild scent, which can't even like notice, like you have to really smell it. But yeah, that's that. It almost like has no scent. You almost can't smell it, but there it is. Let's move on. Okay, I have two more things to go. Let me begin with this one. Now of course I went to their site to check out everything they sent me, to see how to use, see the ingredients and all that. So let's just open up this one right here. This is the exfoliating, if I'm not wrong, yeah, the face exfoliant, and it looks like this. There it is, and I'll put the picture on the screen just in case you can't see it. This is a deep cleansing face exfoliant infused with olive extract for all skin types. Now for their cleanser, for the exfoliant, I think this is the only exfoliant they have for all skin types, but I could be wrong. I'll check and see. It unclogs your pores, gentle on the skin, oil free, and also this one is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't irritate your skin. And then of course we have the ingredients at the back. And then the main exfoliant here, the main thing which will exfoliate your skin is the salicylic acid, sorry. They have again Kojic acid, like I'm saying. This one is very common in the ingredients list. Glutathione, Arbutin, Limonene, and let me see if there's anything else here. Yeah, those are the main ingredients for skin lightening. Then of course it also has hyaluronic acid as well. Again, I'll put the ingredients on the screen to show you guys. Now this one is a 100 ml, the face exfoliant. I'm wondering if is it a scrub or is it just like, okay, they're saying you wet your skin with warm water, then you massage the skin with the face exfoliant for 1 minute. Then you rinse the exfoliant off your face, dry your skin, and you moisturize. Oh, so it is not a leave-on exfoliant. It is you're just supposed to apply it and massage it, and then you okay. I've never used something like that before. Normally, the ones I use, the exfoliants I normally use, they mostly leave on exfoliants. I never have had to use one which I have to rinse off. So this one is very, very interesting for me to try it out. So again, I'll be using all these things in combination as they are. Then over here, this is a body cream over here. So let's see. Let's just open it up. Open it up. Okay. Now again, this one comes to the pump. I'm wishing it came with a cap on it because the pump is opened up like this. But I'm wishing it came with like a cap like this other ones that I had before. So we have right here the Brighten Mi, but it's me with an M-I. It's me like M-I. It's a Brighten Mi Bright Body Lotion for all skin types. Highly concentrated, but then, like I'm saying, guys, they have a whole variety of body lotions on their site. Go and check out and see which one works for you. It clears the skin of impurities. It restores skin clarity and glow. Contains vitamin C and E. Then they've written right here, extra lightening. The skincare experts, 300 ml. Ingredients, again, I'm so sure Kojic acid is here. Yes, it has Kojic acid, it has Arbutin, glutathione, vitamin C and E. They're kind of using almost like similar in skin lightening ingredients. However, the other ingredients in their list are different. Like here, there are other things that are not in. Like this one has ascorbic acid, and the other ones didn't have ascorbic acid in them. So let me see. Yeah. Vitamin C. No, I think they had vitamin C in this other one. And I'm forgetting the. Yeah, I think they had vitamin C in this one. Let me see. Yeah. Vitamin C is common in their products. Vitamin C, glutathione, kojic acid, and arbutin. Now, of course, you guys should know by now, all the brands you see me working with, any company you see me working with, trust me, I have vetted their ingredients. I have checked the ingredients. I will never use any brand that has harmful ingredients. I never do any partnerships or any brand collabs with any brands that have harmful ingredients. So of course, I knew, of course, their products don't have harmful ingredients. They're all natural skin lightening ingredients. So there's a body lotion right there. Okay guys, so that is the whole unboxing of all these items. So like I'm saying, I'm gonna be using these items in the coming week, and actually tonight, I'm gonna begin tonight, but I'll give you guys a whole rollout of my routine for the next week that I plan on using, and to show you guys exactly how I'll be using everything. Now, a short story about this company, about Brighten Mi. Now, this their story begins like with almost skincare brands, where someone has a skin issue, they try to solve their skin issues, and they find out that they nothing in the market is working for them, and so they create their own products. So the same case, it was a story of two women who had skin issues. They tried everything. They tried so many things, and they realized the things they were using were causing more harm to them than good. So they went ahead working with dermatologists, and they created their own skincare line, and hence Brighten Mi was born. That is a short story. Of course, I think the whole story is on their website, and very, very interesting, and that is how most skincare brands start, from a point of need. So guys, go and check out their site, see these things. I'll put the links down below. See all these things that they have on their website, see what you can try out, and of course, when you're checking out, remember to use my discount code SHIKO10. It will give you a 10% discount off anything you buy from Brighten Mi. So again, like I'm saying guys, these things, I'm going to be using them for the next 3 weeks consistently. When I say consistently, I mean like consistently without skipping a single day. I'm gonna use them the right way, because I'm gonna give you guys a full honest review, and the only way I can give you a review is if I'm consistent and using them each and every day without skipping a single day. So in 3 weeks time, I'll come back and we'll do a review and we'll see how these things work on my skin. And until then, guys, make sure you please go check out their company and check out what they have. And until next time, guys, see ya.